Another tips about sequence in the operation. We finish to make a milk frothing. The temperature of the machine is high because it's in steam status, but we want to brew a coffee. If we brew coffee in this situation, the temperature is very high. The machine or send to us an alarm like a double light flashing, or also come out some steam from the coffee. Means the coffee is no good. So we need to do one simple operation. We select the function for brew coffee. Then we put down the steam pipe 1 cup and we rotate the knob on the steam position to brew out some water and quickly drop down the temperature. We left brew to wait that this light stop to flashing. As you can see, the machine stopped to brew steam. One light corresponding to the steam switch off. So, in this condition, the temperature quickly drop down in the correct status for brew coffee.